Ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Thank you for purchasing this laptop from Sarkar IT Solutions. Your laptop. My Sarkar
Good morning,
Solutions
beta. Good morning.
3988 Cardinal.
Let's wait for others to join. Only 2 students are here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to all of you. Everybody, please open your cameras. Okay, let's have attendance first.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning. You completed your worksheet yesterday? All the question answers of your worksheet? Yes or no? Children, you completed your worksheet yesterday?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Rishabh, Yashraj, Manas, Devansh, Harsh. Beta, what about you all? Could you complete your
Yes, ma'am.
worksheet? Okay, you were able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine.
Sir, present. Ma'am, we just the question answer.
All right.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
we have to start the 4th chapter.
Yes, today we'll start the 4th chapter, but before that, let me take your attendance. Okay, Karthik, tell me, you were not present yesterday? Did you not attend your classes yesterday, Karthik? Yes, beta. Karthik, you were present yesterday or absent?
Ma'am, absent.
Absent, okay, fine. All right.
Ma'am,
Now,
but on the worksheet.
you have not done the worksheet, and you were absent in all other classes also, or only in SST class?
Ma'am, my SST class only.
Okay. Rest all your class. You attended your classes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, these are chapter 3 answer the question detail. Question 3 answer 3 we are not done.
Which one? Which is that?
Answer 3.
Beta, read out the question.
What are the different ways of which you can help to look after public property?
Okay, we have not done this question. Everybody, please check in your copies. Others also, Manas, Rishabh, please check in your copy. We've done it or not?
Ma'am, done.
Done. Then Stuti.
Actually,
Yes.
ma'am, you are not discussed the question answers of worksheet to question answers. You are not discussed.
Yes, we have not discussed. So we'll discuss them, don't worry. But tell me, what about the chapter number 3? That Stuti is saying that I have not done a question. A question is left to be done. Just check, all of you.
No, ma'am, I have done.
What? Excuse me. Yes?
Ma'am,
Excuse me. Yes?
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
I do not the third chapter of question, ma'am.
What haven't you done,
Ma'am, I
Rishabh?
cannot do the third. Ma'am, I
Okay.
cannot do the second chapter of third question.
Third question of second
Third question,
chapter.
ma'am.
I'll share the screen with you right now. Those who have not done will do it now. Or else, beta, you can check the work on D group. It is already there on the D group. I have sent the work. If only just 1 or 2 students are left to complete the work, you can please check the D group. Rest others are saying, Manas is saying that the work is complete. Karthik, what about you? Is it complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yash Raj Mahajan, what about you? It's
Complete.
complete. Then something is wrong. You can check the D group. See the D group right now. The work is there. Okay. Now, before we move on with today's class, please all of you call out your names. Let me take your attendance first.
Ma'am, Mansat present.
Okay, Manas Garg present. Very good. Yash Raj Mahajan present. Very good. Then Samya Alicia. Who?
Present, ma'am.
Devansh Verma present. Rishabh Kumar. Stuti Khandelwal. Vikas Rathor. Vikas, you were not present yesterday. Vikas Rathor, beta, you were absent in all the classes yesterday or only in the SST class? Tell me.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
In all classes, beta.
Yes,
Vikas?
ma'am.
Okay, you were
Yes,
absent in
ma'am.
all the classes. All right. Okay, then we have Kartik Kumar present, Mishti present, Manas.
Ma'am, Samya Alicia present.
Okay, beta, I have marked you present. Then I have Arav Solanki. Athar Singh.
Mishra also present.
Very good, very good. I have marked you all present. Okay. 12 students. 11. Yes. Anybody wants to say anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, please, anybody say, please send the answer number 3 of chapter 3 and answer these questions in detail.
Wait, I will do that. Don't worry. Just see, all of you, please see whether you have done the work or not. Because Samya is, oh, sorry, Stuti is very regular in her classes. Maybe because of some reason, the answer is left. I'll just share the screen with you in a minute.
Ma'am, what we are doing the
Beta,
ma'am,
wait, I'll
what we
tell
are
you
doing
what
today?
we are doing. Wait, just wait. Okay, everyone now check whether you have done it or not. The last question. What are the different ways in which you can help to look after public properties? Can you see in the end? Question number 3.
Ma'am, there are another 2 points.
Yes, there are in all 3 points. What are the different ways in which you can help to look after public properties? Now, Stuti, do one thing better. Take a screenshot.
Ma'am, we will all. Ma'am, we will chapter 3 question answer already done.
Yes, yes. Stuti, now better take a screenshot. Okay, I'm removing the screen. Hurry up and take a screenshot so that you can do it later.
Ma'am, these are question answer of chapter 3.
Yes, beta, yes. There was some confusion. A child was saying that we have not done it. So I'm
Yeah,
showing
ma'am,
it.
I am also. Yeah, ma'am, I am also not done.
You have not done it?
No,
Why?
Ma'am, but I have done chapter 3 difficult words and key points.
You have not done question answers, beta, Mishti.
No, no, ma'am, I have done only chapter 3 difficult word and key points. Ma'am, you can send the group.
I will send it.
Okay, ma'am, so I can see this.
Ma'am, I will done all question answer.
You have done all. Okay, I'll again send this work on D group. All of you don't worry. Now I'm removing the screen. Yes.
Ma'am, this is key points.
No, no, these are not key points. This was chapter 3. There are students who have not completed the work, so don't worry. I'll again today send this work on D group. Yes, Mishti, what do you want to say?
And ma'am, we will do chapter 3 key points only 10.
Yes, only 10 key points were there. Okay,
Okay,
now,
ma'am, those are my done.
now we are going to discuss the question answers of the worksheet that I shared with you yesterday. What is question number 1? Read out. What was question number 1?
Ma'am, question number 1 is
What is monument?
what are monuments?
What are monuments? Okay, who will tell? What are monuments? Tell me. Everybody, first of all, open your cameras. Very good, Manas. Yes, only I can see Manas' hand and Stuti's hand. Nobody else is raising his hand.
An archaeological source to study history.
Okay, it is an archaeological source to study history. Apart from that, beta, what is a monument? Who will tell? Yes, Stuti. What answer do you have?
Ancient buildings serve as places for temples and pillars built by humans are called monuments. They give
Yes,
us
that's it. That's it. That's it, beta. Beta,
Ma'am, but I am
monuments. Monuments. What?
Ma'am, but I am reading that an archaeological source to study history.
Beta, this should be the second line. When you're explaining, when you're telling what a monument is, then you should tell that this monuments are what? They are ancient buildings built by humans.
Ma'am,
Such as, now which kind of buildings? Forts, pillars, temples, etc. Your answer should be this. Monuments are ancient buildings built by humans. Is that clear?
ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, you will tell the
Ma'am,
next
can I
one.
tell?
Next one, beta, next one. Yes. What is question number 2?
What information do coins give us?
Yes. Now, Rishabh, you tell this answer. What information do coins give us?
Ma'am, coin give us, ma'am, coin give information our past.
What? Coins give?
Ma'am, ma'am, coin give information of past.
Okay. What kind of information of the past, beta? You have to tell what kind of information does it tell? It tells us about the ruler. There was a line in the paragraph coin. Yes. Who else now? I don't want only 2 hands. Shish, you tell what is the answer. Shish, beta, what is the answer?
I don't know.
You don't know what information do points give us. Okay, everybody open the chapter. Look
Ma'am,
in the paragraph points. Everybody open your books right now.
ma'am, important information.
Beta, the question is, what important information do points give us? Even if they give
Ma'am,
us
I
important
automatic-
information, then what important information? You have to tell this.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell Rishabh.
Ma'am, I automatically coins provide important information about the past. By studying a coin, on get to know
One gets to know.
one get to know the name of the ruler.
Yes, that's the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Coins tell us about the name of the ruler, place of the ruler, the metal used at that time. This is the complete answer. Coins give us this. Yes.
Ma'am, the study of coin who never numerics.
Yes. Now you need not write this line. You need not make it very lengthy. All you need to write is, what do coins tell us? Coins tell us about the name of the ruler. Children, you all have your textbooks, right? You all have your social studies books. Open the paragraph points and underline this line and then write it. It is an important line.
Ma'am, yeah.
Through a coin, we come to know, yes.
Ma'am, you have to underline place, coin place.
Yes, you have to underline. You have to underline what coins tell us. Coins tell us about.
Ma'am, I
the
don't have
name-
book.
Shish, you have the PDF, beta.
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because I deleted the group because my phone is hanging.
You want me to send you the PDF?
Yes, ma'am. Then I will save it.
Yes, now save it. Wait.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you also write the master available in the place.
I can't understand. Say it again.
And we also write matter available in the place.
What? I can't understand. Beta, you're not very clear. Say it once again.
Ma'am, I think we have to write also matter available in that place.
Yes, yes, yes. Metal available at that time, at that place. Okay, check 4th B group. I have sent the PDF there. All right. What is the next question now?
What are archaeological? Ma'am, what are archaeology?
What are archaeological sources of history? Is that the question?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Only what is archaeology?
Okay, what is archaeology? Who will tell? What is archaeology? Harsh Patel, beta, you tell the answer. What is archaeology? Harsh? Yes. What is archaeology?
Ma'am, archaeology is
Hmm.
that there very old monuments. Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Rishabh, tell.
Ma'am, historians and archaeologists Archaeologists work very hard.
Beta, the question is, what is archaeology? You have to tell what archaeology is. Archaeology is the study of ancient remains.
Then challenge time.
And the ancient of in the study of ancient remains is the answer.
Yes. Everybody write this answer.
Ma'am, archaeology is the study of ancient remains like monument building, coin, tool, painting. Yes, ma'am.
Then can I read the next question?
No. First, everybody write the answer from the chat box. What is archaeology? Archaeology is the study of ancient remains like coins, plates, buildings, etc. Everybody write this answer. I don't know what you all have written.
Ma'am, I have written the study of ancient remains, but I am not writing examples.
Okay, no problem, beta. If you have not written the examples, no problem. What was question number 1? What are monuments? What was question 1?
What are monuments?
Ma'am, you was not sent in group.
I have sent it on, beta, not in the D group. I have sent the PDF in 4th B group.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta, yes. Mishti, what happened? Mishti, can you hear me? Yes, Mishti, what were you saying? I have also sent the answer. What do points give us? Wow, sorry, what information do points give us? All of you, please check your answers and write correct answers from the chat box. And students, open your cameras. Today I can see so many of you have not opened your cameras. Why are you sleeping? Early morning?
Ma'am,
Yes.
but when we are seeing test box,
Yes, beta, I know, beta. Manas, I'm not talking about you because you opened your camera. I'm talking about students who didn't open their cameras at all. And those students also know. After writing these answers from the chat box, everybody will open their cameras. Hurry up and write. Rishabh, Write the answers. Beta, your answers were not correct.
Okay,
So,
okay, ma'am.
Yashraj, you also write. Stuti, Shirsh, everybody will write the answers from the chat box. And please check the correct number while writing the answers. Answer 1, answer 2, answer 3. The numbering is not correct.
Ma'am, I am right. Ma'am, I have written.
Okay, beta, okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
All right. What is the next question now?
Ma'am, what do painting and sculptures tell us?
Okay, tell me, what do paintings and sculptures tell us?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Painting and structures from an important source for studying your past.
Paintings and sculptures.
Ma'am, paintings and sculptures from an important source study or past.
Beta, what do they tell us?
And these are
See.
question answers.
These are question answers from in between.
Can I tell?
Paintings and sculptures.
Ma'am, these are question answer of chapter 3.
No, beta, no, they're not from chapter 3. I'm discussing the worksheet of chapter number 1.
Ma'am, painting and sculptures from an important sources of studying or past.
But what do they tell us? Paintings and sculptures, we know that it is an important source of history. Tell us about our past. But what about our past do they tell us?
That in past time, ma'am, they tell us what is her dress and what is lifestyle.
Yes, they tell us about the occupations, dresses, and lifestyle of the people of that time. Paintings, everybody write. Beta, in every answer, you can't write. When I asked what do coins tell us, you can't just say that coins are important source of, they are an important source of information. You need to tell what do they tell. We know it is an important source of information, but why it is an important source of information? What does it tell us? You have to write all that. Paintings and sculptures tell us about.
Ma'am, please write on chat box.
Yes, I'm writing, beta. The occupation, dresses, lifestyle of the people of that
Ma'am, but I have written
Nice.
the painting and sculpture from an important source for studying our past. So, ma'am, can I say in Hindi?
Yes, say.
मैम तो हमें इसके आगे वी आर इसके आगे हमें लिखना है और ये एग्जांपल्स
Yes, बेटा आपको ये एग्जाम्पल नहीं लिखना, आपने जो लिखा है you can cut that, you can cross that. Okay? Why? Because you have not written the correct answer. You have not told us what do sculptures and paintings tell us. You have just said that they are important source of information. We don't need to know, we already know that it is an important source of information. The correct answer would be when you will write what we get to know from paintings and sculptures. Is that correct?
ओके मैम सो आफ्टर पेंटिंग एंड स्कल्पचर्स वी आर कट all the
What you have written, cross that and write what I have written in the chat box.
ओके मैम
Then return. Then return. Then I've done.
Ma'am, these are question answers.
Mishti beta, these are question answers of the worksheet that I shared with you. I shared a worksheet with you in the class. Do you know that? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm asking Mishti.
Ma'am, I do already.
Yes, you have done, na? Then don't get confused. Just check your answers, whether you have written correct answers or not. Fine? What is the last answer? Last question? Okay, what is the last question? What are fossils? Who will tell the answer? Yes, tell.
Fossils is the remains of plants and animals usually found the rock and also another source of history.
Very nice. Now this is correct. Fossils are dead remains of plants and animals. Fossils are dead remains of plants and animals.
Ma'am, I have done all.
Very nice. Everyone has done now. Atharv Singh, Shirsh, Mishti, Vikas. Everybody, just open your cameras and show me a thumbs up if you have done.
Yes, ma'am, I have done Misty.
Pratyaksh Rathi, Kanishka, what about you? Done it? Very nice. I can see 4 thumbs ups. Very good, very good. Karthik, Pratyaksh Rathi, Devansh, beta. You will not show me a thumbs up? Karthik Kumar, you have done?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done.
Are you still writing? Are you still writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, right. What about you, Devansh Verma, Harsh Patel? Harsh, beta, open your camera.
I'm
Let me
right.
talk to you.
Ma'am, I am right.
All right, I'm writing. Okay. Harsh Patel, beta, what about you? Harsh is not replying. Harsh, are you writing?
Ma'am.
Okay, try to complete it. Only 3 minutes are left. Everybody complete the work.
Ma'am, can I leave the meeting? Ma'am, because I have completed all the work.
Okay, everybody will post their worksheets on the class group.
Okay, ma'am.
I have noted your attendance and I want everyone's worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, those who have done can leave.
Ma'am, today, after the class or...
Yes, after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Today only you have to
After all
submit it.
classes. Ma'am, please tell the time, correct time.
If you have done right now, you can send it right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Those who have not done, take a screenshot of the answers from the chat box so that you can do it later.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the third?
Beta, what is the third question? What is archaeology?
Yes, ma'am.
See, archaeology is the study of ancient remains like coins, buildings, etc. I'll again send the answer in the chat box. Answer number 3. Take a screenshot. Hurry up. Class 7C has already joined, huh? Beta, I'll end this meeting. You can leave class 7C because this is class 4th going on. I'll restart your meeting.
Bye.